Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to review about electric egg boiler. I bought it from Amazon and the cost is around 399 rupees. I'll show how to operate this. Now it comes with a lid and a tray. So take out the lid and also the tray, and to this area you can pour water. So they have given a measuring cup for this. You can see the measuring cup and mls all they have mentioned in this, and these are the measurements. So egg quantity, that is 1 2 3, how many eggs you have to put, and also how you want it. Like you can have three types, that is soft boiled, medium boiled and hard boiled, and all the mls are mentioned. So for reference I've sticked it in the wall, so you can check how much egg. For example, if you're putting 3 eggs and you want it to be like hard boiled, you can put 69 ml. So I'll show. Now pour 69 ml of water in this. Keep the tray and place eggs. So at a time you can boil 7 eggs. Now I am showing only 3 eggs, and close the lid. Switch it on, so light comes, so it's started. You have to pour exact amount of water that is mentioned. If you pour excess, no, it will leak. If you pour less, a bottom will get burnt. So you have to put exact amount of water, and then your work is done. So there is no need to keep watching it. It's automatic, so it gets off automatic, so no need of constantly looking into it. So you can see it's boiling in the bottom. You can see here it's boiling, and it's getting cooked in the steam. These are all the steams, so it's getting cooked. So let's wait for this to that light to off, and I'll show you again. As you can see, it's off. So let's open it and take out the eggs. If you want to consume the eggs immediately, pour little cold water and keep it aside, and again immediately you can peel it and have it. After peeling, it looks like this. It's cooked properly, everything constant, there's no changes, everything is perfect. So cooking egg is so much easy now. As I told, I bought it from Amazon and I've been using it for more than 2 months now. No complaints, and it's the best. Please do buy it. I'll provide the link in the description. Check it out. Boiling egg is so much easy now. Do purchase it. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.